welcome and welcome back to my channel. I have a very small haul for you today. This time it is just one dragon painting. Well, you know what? I'll show these off first. Oh, I like that. These are all supposed to be dragonized. There's supposed to be 50 of them, 25 pairs. It's supposed to be made out of glass. That's what it says. I don't know. I think some of them are lizards. I don't think all of them are glass. That looks like a heart. Nope. A skull? This rainbow one. I like the blues. I'll try to get those focused in some other time. Okay, this is a promised myself I would not get dark colors again, but I just couldn't help it. And when you see why, this is why. It's 30 by 40. It has 18 colors. This will probably be the one I would use for the dragon thing in January. Oh, come on, focus. Okie dokie, thank you for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Namaste.